Let's be real, most dropshipping advice is setting you up to fail. You're told to scroll TikTok for hours, chase after whatever's trending, and basically gamble your money on products that are already saturated by the time you even launch. It's frustrating, it's a huge waste of time, and honestly, it's why most people quit before they ever make a single sale. So, forget all that. Forget the guesswork and the endless mindless scrolling. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact 2026 blueprint for finding problem-solving products that practically sell themselves. This isn't about getting lucky, it's about a repeatable system that stops you from gambling and starts you building a real, actual business. We're not just looking for products, we're looking for opportunities. No fluff, no magic formulas, just a system that actually works. Let's get into it. First, let's get one thing straight about what a winning product really is. It's not just some quirky gadget that went viral on Reels for a week. In 2026, a true winning product is a strategic asset. It has to meet a strict set of non-negotiable criteria before you even think about spending $1 on it. If a product doesn't tick these boxes, you don't consider it, you just move on. The winner of today is, first and foremost, a problem solver. It hones in on a nagging, annoying, or expensive problem that a specific group of people deals with and offers a clean, desirable solution. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. They buy a better version of themselves. That's where the money is. Second, it absolutely must have a high perceived value. The product needs to look, feel, and work like it's worth way more than what you paid for it. This is what gives you room for a 3 times markup minimum. If your supplier sells it for $10, you have to be able to confidently sell it for at least $30, and ideally $40 or more. Without that margin, you can't afford to run ads, handle returns, or actually pay yourself. No margin, no product. We move on. Third, it has to be lightweight and easy to ship. Heavy, bulky items are a complete logistical nightmare. They come with insane shipping costs that demolish your margins and spook customers right at the checkout. We want simple, small, and durable items that reach the customer with zero drama. And finally, it needs a wow factor, but not just for show. It must be visually demonstrable. Can you show how it solves a problem in a 15-second video? Can you create a killer before and after that instantly gets the point across? In the age of short-form video, if you can't show it, you can't sell it. This is non-negotiable. So here's your checklist. Print it out, tape it to your monitor, whatever you have to do. A product must be a deep problem solver, have high perceived value for a 3 times markup, be lightweight and shippable, and be incredibly easy to demonstrate on video. If it fails even one of these tests, it's not a winner. You move on. Okay, so where do we find these problem-solving gems? We stop looking for products. We start looking for problems. This is the single biggest mindset shift you have to make, and it will change everything. The best place to find problems is wherever people complain. Your first stop should be forums like Reddit. Find subreddits dedicated to specific hobbies, jobs, or lifestyles. Into skincare, head over to Our Skincare Addiction and look for posts where people are desperate for a solution to some niche skin issue. Into camping, go to Our Camping Gear and see what hikers are complaining about. Is their pack uncomfortable? Is their tent a nightmare to set up? These complaints are pure gold. They are literally your future customers telling you exactly what they want to buy. Your next stop is the review section on Amazon. Find a popular product in a category you're exploring and filter by 1- and 2-star reviews. Ignore the rants about shipping. You're looking for comments about the product itself. I love this blender, but it's a total pain to clean. Boom. There's a problem. Is there a product that solves that? A self-cleaning blender? A special tool for cleaning it? That's your way in. Once you have a problem, then you go looking for the product. Use Google and search for things like, problem solution or how to fix problem. This flips the whole process on its head. Instead of finding a random product and praying it solves a problem, you find a proven problem and deliver the solution. And yes, you can still use social media, but do it strategically. Create a brand new TikTok or Instagram account. Don't link it to your personal one. This is your research-only account. Search for hashtags like Chuck Amazon Finds, Chuck TikTok made me buy it, or get more specific with Chuck Kitchen Hacks or Chuck Gadgets. As you scroll, save every single product that looks interesting and solves a clear problem. Don't analyze them yet, just build a list of at least 20 potential candidates. This keeps you from falling in love with the first thing you see and helps you create a pipeline of ideas. Having a list of 20 problem solvers is a great start, but an idea is just an idea until you prove people will actually pay for it. We use data for this, not our feelings. Your first and most powerful free tool is Google Trends. Take the main keyword for your product, like portable neck fan, and pop it into Google Trends. You're looking for a few things. First is the trend line heading up. A steady upward climb over the last year or more is a fantastic sign of growing interest. Be super careful with products that have a massive sudden spike and are now crashing. You probably missed that train. We want to catch the wave as it's building, not after it has already crashed on the shore. Also, check the seasonality. A portable neck fan is obviously going to sell in the summer. You can definitely build a big business on seasonal products, but you have to be ready for those cash flow cycles. Ideally, you find an evergreen product that solves a problem all year long. Google Trends shows you this in about 5 seconds. Next, head back to social media for social proof. Search for your product on TikTok. Are there a bunch of videos about it from different creators? Are those videos getting tens or hundreds of thousands of views? And this is key. Engaged comments. Look for things like, "Where do I get this?" or "OMG, I need this." Those comments are pure validation. They're buy signals. If all you find are a few lazy videos with zero engagement, that's a big red flag. Finally, do a quick saturation check. Search for the product on Amazon and see how many other stores are selling it. If you find dozens of identical-looking Shopify stores running the exact same ads for the same product, it might be too saturated for a beginner. Saturation isn't always a deal breaker if you can bring a better offer, a stronger brand, or a unique marketing angle. But if it doesn't pass the data validation phase, you have to be disciplined. You move on. This is where we get a little sneaky. Want to know with almost 100% certainty if a product is making people money? See if other companies are consistently spending money to advertise it. People don't keep burning cash on ads for products that don't sell. Your new best friend is the Meta Ad Library. It's a completely free, searchable database of every single ad running on Facebook and Instagram. Go to the ad library and type in keywords for your product. Let's say you're looking at a smart pet feeder. Search for that term. You'll instantly see all the ads your potential competitors are running. But don't just look at the ads themselves. Look at how long they've been running. If you find a store that's had an ad active for weeks or even months, that's a massive sign that the ad is profitable. They've found a winning combo of product, creative, and targeting, and they're scaling it. This is your proof of concept, served up on a silver platter. You're getting a free peek at your competitors' winning strategies. You can see their ad copy, their videos, and the exact landing pages they're sending people to. You're not doing this to copy them, you're doing it to validate the market. If multiple brands are successfully advertising a product, it confirms there's a hungry market for it. Your job is to figure out how to enter that market and do it even better. You can do the same thing on TikTok. Go to the TikTok Creative Center and check out their top ads dashboard. This lets you see the best performing ads on the platform in different regions and categories. Look for patterns. Are certain types of problem-solving products popping up over and over? This is how you stay ahead of the curve and spot trends before everyone else does. So you've found a problem, you've validated the demand, and you've confirmed competitors are making money selling a solution. You're so close, but this last step is where a lot of people mess up. You absolutely must make sure you can source the product reliably and profitably. Go to a major supplier platform like AliExpress and find multiple suppliers for your product. Do not just go with the cheapest one. Look at their overall store rating, the number of orders they fulfilled for that item, and the customer reviews. See any complaints about shoddy quality or painfully slow shipping? If so, run. A bad supplier will tank your business before it even gets off the ground. Next, it's time for some real math to calculate your true profit margin. Take the supplier's price, add the shipping cost to your target country, and that's your total cost of goods sold, or COGS. Let's say your COGS is $12. Using our 3 times rule, you need to be able to sell it for at least $36. Can the market actually handle that price? Check what your competitors are charging. If they're all selling it for $29.99, you're going to have a really hard time charging $40 unless your brand is way stronger or you have a better offer like a product bundle. This simple math will save you from launching products that are doomed to fail. After your product cost, shipping, and ad spend, there has to be enough money left over to make it worth your while. A healthy net profit margin to aim for is around 15 to 20%. If the numbers don't work, the product doesn't work. It's really that simple. So that's the blueprint. It's a system, not a slot machine. Step 1. Stop looking for products. Start looking for problems on forums and in reviews. Step 2. Validate demand for the solution using real data from Google Trends and social proof. Step 3. Confirm the market is profitable by spying on competitors who are already spending money on ads. Step 4. Make sure you can source it reliably and that the profit margins actually make sense. This is the framework that takes you from guessing and gambling to systematically finding winners. Forget the hype. Focus on the system. The perfect product doesn't exist. What does exist are proven problems that are just waiting for a good solution from someone who knows how to market it. Your job is to find one, validate it, and execute. Stop waiting around for one perfect idea. Build a weekly pipeline of ideas, test them fast, and let the data guide you. If you got value from this and want more no-nonsense dropshipping guides, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let me know in the comments, what problem are you going to start researching first? Now go make it happen.